I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm the exact Google Home model and make sure it's plugged in and active. This matters because procedures differ slightly by model. Once done, open the Google Home app and sign into the Google account linked to that device so you can access device settings. Next, tap the device tile, choose Settings, and view device information to confirm serial/model. Doing this prevents accidental resets of the wrong device and prepares you to perform the reset correctly. You now perform the actual reset, and the exact action depends on your model. For Nest or Home Mini, press and hold the factory reset button for at least 10 seconds until you hear a chime. For larger Google Home devices, navigate Settings in the app, select More or Device options, then Factory Reset and confirm when prompted. Make sure to watch the device LED and listen for the spoken confirmation. These indicate the unit is erasing settings and returning to factory state to be set up again. You finish by letting the device reboot, then open the Google Home app and add it as a new device, following the on-screen setup to reconnect to Wi-Fi and your account. If the reset does not complete, power cycle the unit and retry the reset steps. If still stuck, try from a different phone or Google account to rule out app-side issues. Make sure your router's network name and password are correct, and prefer the 2.4 GHz band if the device has trouble connecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.